Hello everyone. So I gonna unpack that printer. First I gonna show you a little bit around what's written everywhere. My focus is make a lot of close-ups, so you're gonna see if you want that printer to buy, then what kind of printer you're gonna get. But first I gonna show a little bit internet as well. What I found, there is you can put a printer name LBP631Cw in the internet. You're gonna show a lot of stuff. There is some product range. There's Circle, that is our printer right now. But it's quite blurry. That's more clear, but like you see, we don't find the same printer here, same Canon printer, but you're gonna see that actually it's very close is that model. Where's the Circle? Yeah. So it's laser printer A4 color. So if you go to official page, you can find software, what you can install your computer. You see the digital manuals and so on. There is some page where I found quite nice short description a little bit, and then specification, all the small details. So very small details what you need. This is like a good laser printer, and laser printer is good because if you sometimes don't use the printer, then colors gonna dry and there is big problem, but laser printer don't have that problem. There is control panel. You can see what's the navigation buttons do, but it's all basic, so it's quite simple actually, nothing very hard. So that's how we're gonna, that was the instruction how we're gonna open that. And yeah, probably let's see what is inside. So I use that knife to open. Let's see if there is any sensitive stuff behind the cartridge line. Probably not so much, so it's quite safe to open the knife. There is pack of papers. There is this CD. Yeah, nobody used those, but yeah, I think maybe someone have the one. So paper, safety instruction, lot of languages. I hope someone read those. Some people don't read those. Some stuff, setup guide, lot of language. If you read those stuff, probably you don't need to watch the videos anymore. Yeah, you need that, so to put the power your printer, that's quite standard. No, my printer is here. It was hard to take out because one time. So yeah, I make like a lot of close-up. It's quite heavy actually. It's not very lightweight. Power goes there. Behind should be some data cable hole. Yeah, there's a data here, cable hole, something. Phone. the toners, color toners. Very easy to take out and put back. The toners are good because they don't dry the paint. Let's take those and okay, other side. So you need to look which side is loose, and then it's easy to remove those sticky stuffs. USB device can go in there. Take out those things. You can adjust what paper you put. Working probably was A4, but you can put smaller as well. There is factor film, you can remove that if you want. Power cord. So let's see what is in the back. Let's go I brought the data cable, printing didn't have that, so you need to buy separately. I have quite a long one, 5 meters, because I'm not sure where I put the printer. It can be quite far in my computer. Let's go. It's standard printer cable hole. Nothing special. So do not connect USB cable before installing the software, okay? It's not connect it. Now it's much better. Inside. You can use through the Wi-Fi as well, the printer. So take those extra sticky stuff away. So paper coming out, and let's help see. So you can use the language. There's a lot of languages in there. And select the country edition. So I'm from Estonia actually. Let's see if we find. Probably we don't find. Let's go to water. Time zones. Let's see what time zone we have. Like a lot of tools. Probably I think is the most closest, and there was the time as well. So now we have the nice printer ready. It's going automatically sleeping mode. I put the printing the stuff, but it not print no paper. Playnix, where's the Playnix? I don't know. What's that? So some problem indicator. Okay, now it's printing. So plane to root the first. I don't know. But so there is a test page. Let's see the colors and sharpness. Ooh, I think it's quite nice. Yeah. And so plane 1, plane 2, you can remove, just push up a little bit. Use not of way through the internet, Wi-Fi, or you can use even your phone. Actually, you can make the picture and print out whatever is in the picture if you are preference of that. So yeah, I'm a little puzzling what's the plane 2 and plane 1. So that should be plane 1. No, plane 2. Maybe it's that plane 1. Take one inside. So it should take in automatically or something like that. But yeah, it didn't take very straight. Probably it's not a problem. So it's not straight. So it's all plane 2. If someone knows how to change it, so it's gonna print like normally automatic, leave the comment or something. The colors are nice. So if your paper is jammed, you can open back drawer and you can find the way how to remove this. Wireless LAN, there's a lot of options. Screen, yeah, you can put a USB stick in there. I would want really to try that. So I have USB stick what is prepared. I put some test page in there. It's very nano small Samsung stick. So let's see what's unsupported USB device. Probably there is the printer don't read all the memory stick partitions. You can computer the format and put another partition in there. But let's see, I have brand new USB-C stick. Let's use the converter, and still no. Okay, that's quite funny. Maybe let's change the partition. Maybe now it's gonna read. Still no. Quite interesting. So I don't have much memory sticks, but maybe I can use the memory card and have a converter of the memory card. take it out, holding at the same time my phone. Other way. I don't know if it's not working. Okay, I think it's working. Yeah, I inverted my screen because I like the dark mode everywhere, but in the printer the dark mode is, I don't know, a little bit strange. Let's see, yeah, it's working. Yeah, I can mark what I want to print out and see, apply, okay, start printing, yeah. Printed a very different test pages to try the colors and stuff. You can find those in the internet, it's very easy. So let's make some extreme close-up. In the white paper you see some yellow dots. So actually it's not a mistake, all the printer makes that, so it's some security stuff. So let's see the small dots out, printed out, extreme close-up, using extreme close-up. I think it's okay. Probably some professional can say what's good or bad, but I think it's okay. So that's it. Thank you that you watched my unboxing and small test and review. I hope you saw some very close-up shots, and see you next time.